Okay, today we're going to be looking at customary unit of measurement on capacity. So capacity is talking about how much something can hold, and so we're going to look at it when we're looking at liquids. Okay, so first you have teaspoons. So 3 teaspoons is 1 tablespoon. So 3 TSP is the abbreviation. Tablespoon is TBSP. The B is your table. All right, so then you have tablespoons is the next. So 1 tablespoon is 3 teaspoons. So there you go again. The next thing we're going to be looking at is fluid ounces. So 1 fluid ounce equals 2 tablespoons. So fluid ounces is abbreviated with FLOZ because there's also ounces whenever you're talking about mass and weight. Then we have cups. So 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. So 1C equals 8 FLOZ. We got next one is pints. 1 pint, probably it's tall of a glass of lemonade, like a regular glass size, and that's equal to 2 cups. So 1 pint equals 2 cups, or 2C. Then you have quarts. So we have quarts, we have the 1 tall glass of lemonade is 1 pint. So then we have 2 pints, because 2 pints equals 1 quart. So like the quart of milk, like the orange juice comes in lots of times. And so then the abbreviation for quart is QT. So 1 QT equals 2 PT because 1 quart equals 2 pints. We have gallons. You've got a customary unit of capacity. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So 1 gallon, or sometimes 1 GAL equals 4 quarts. And there's that gallon of milk. All right, so to help kind of memorize, get these in your head, or just a quick way to, you can write it down real quick and keep track of it. I still use it. It's the big G. So in the big G, there are 4 Qs because there's 4 quarts make a gallon. Inside of each Q are 2 pints because 2 pints make a quart. Inside of each pint are 2 Cs because 2 cups make a pint. So I can go and take this and use this for if I want to go from cups to gallons, because inside of it, if there is 4 cups in each quart, and there's 4 of those, so it's 16 cups in a gallon. Or pints, there are 2 pints in each quart, there's 4 of those, that makes 8 pints in each gallon. Or you can go the other direction. So remember, if it's going from a big unit to a small, multiply all. Going from a small unit to a big, divide the pig. Or of course, you could use conversion between unit measurements using the box method. All right, so 34 cups equals blank pints. Remember, your large unit goes on top, small unit goes on the bottom. 1 pint equals 2 cups. This came from the formula chart or from the big G. And then N is pints because I don't know pints for my problem. And 34 is cups because it comes from the problem. And then you cross multiply. That's where you get your equation, how you set them up with the equal sign. 2 times N equals 1 times 34. Go through and do what you can do. I can do 1 times 34. That gives me 34. So it's 2 times N. I got to get the variable by itself, so I undo multiplication with division. So that would be 1 times N, which is N. So 34 divided by 2 is 17. Therefore, 34 N is 17 pints. So 34 cups equals 17 pints. Okay, bring in your summary tomorrow on measurements of customary capacity units. All right, see y'all tomorrow.